platforms enable everybody from different departments to be able to sit together and analyze the various reasons we come to shoot over here. I think films can play a very important role in promoting tourism, as we have seen. Some of the films that Imtiaz and I and Vishal have done have definitely made some locations very popular. And I myself, as a child, remember seeing films that have been shot in Srinagar and looking at those locations and wanting to come.
So now we have with us Imtiaz Saab. Imtiaz Saab, Kashmir is a photographer's paradise. What's your opinion about this, and what is your opinion about this 2 days conclave which is going on for the promotion of tourism?
I was very inspired by the many talks that I heard by the dignitaries speaking at this conclave. They have very positive ideas. The government has extremely practical, positive ideas about how to take forward tourism in Kashmir. And there are a lot of challenges, but already the growth that is happening in tourism is something to be very happy about. And I'm hoping for some very good conversations around tourism and ideas about not only film but other things like infrastructure, etc., which are related to tourism. Good to be here in Kashmir at any point of time, and for any opportunity I'm always very happy to come. Thank you.
Kashmir was so popular for the film shootings. Recently, just few days ago, legendary Asha Parekh.
Ji haan.
Do you think if the such type of conclaves will be continued, people like you will play a role as an ambassador, that the time will come again?
100%. 100%. आप ये चीज देखिए that anybody and any one of us who has come to shoot one film over here has come again and again and again. It is our privilege if you call us ambassadors of Kashmir. Beautiful people, Mehman Nawazi, Kashmiriyat, cultural aspects, apart from the beautiful look. बहुत सारी चीजें मिलकर के कश्मीर को कश्मीर बनाती हैं. Okay, I'll go.